my name is Jason Kontz. We're chopping silage here at my farm in Colman, South Dakota. We run a feedlot, cow-calf operation, and farm down here by Colman, and we'll probably end up chopping somewhere between 3 and 450 acres this year, just depending upon how the drought corn tons out per the acre. We had some stuff that was pretty short with no ears on it. Had a quarter that way that we chopped up for silage, so it didn't ton out real well, so it'll probably be more than that 4 to 450 acres this year, closer to 3. This year there's a lot of people that are going to be trying to make use of corn that the drought affected, that doesn't have any ears on it, and it's a good way to make use of it. The nutritional value is still pretty high compared to normal corn with ears on it, and hopefully people can use the silage and make use out of their fields that the drought's affected.